Alright guys, we are back to finish up this trim switch. It finally came in the mail here. The most oddest thing there is these. Let me get this camera switched around. So here you have, get it focused, a part number literally taped to the part. But let me guess. Let me tell you something. That's not the part number. That's the part number. So, like, I mean, it wasn't impossible to figure that out, but here I am searching this part number, trying to find this trim button, and nothing's coming up. And then I got to boats.net, and I found this part number. But then all the photos online didn't have this end, even with that part number. But I've ordered a lot of stuff offline, and you come to realize sometimes what you always see in the picture don't. Then I called Jason at Black River Boats, confirmed that was the part number he was shown as well. And here we got one. But man, this is just going to be the simplest little, pull this off here. This little doodad comes up. I can't hardly do it all with one hand. Anyway, I'm wasting camera time trying to do that with one hand, but simply just pop it all back in and we'll bolt it down. I'll get back with you in a second. So you got this little beauty ring on the end. Just make sure it's popped off, which I only put mine back on when I disassembled it, just for the like of not losing it. We got some cats up here at the shop that roam around. But this is as simple as snaking that through the hole. And it's going to run out in there, and we're going to pop that on. And I'll show you that in just a sec. One thing that is nice, it kind of makes it dummy proof. When putting the trim switch in, there's 3 little slashes right there. So it can only go in one way. Like, it won't go on that way, which would be upside down. It has to go in that way. Boom. Slap our little beauty cap on now. So there's our cap back on. That cord actually drops out that little slit there. From there, this is another 2-hander deal here. So I'll get back with you in a second. Alright, and that's it. You just shove that little pin back in. It just slides right in. And plug your plug up, and you are golden. Want to. Back in action. And I guess y'all probably saw this bad dude in the background. Be posting some videos of it soon. This is Jet Boats of Texas. First ever outboard they have built. They're normally building inboards. It's a 1654. I'm actually going to take it out today and tell you what's exciting about it. 1/4 inch bottom. Boat still weighed under 600 pounds, just hull on. But happy to have my rig back and going. It was a 1.5 week shutdown probably, which we've been so hot here. It's just not been pleasant to even go hardly run the river. The water temperature is probably 90. But yeah. All I got left was just to screw this back on. Nothing to it.